Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let S be the set of all points in minus pi to pi at which the given function f of x is not differentiable. So, we need to find out the set S. So, look at this. So, you know that your given function is we have to focus on minimum of sin x cosx. Now, look at this. First, we will try to draw the graph of sine function from 0 to pi. Okay, suppose this is pi. Now, so in this part also we will have graph. This is minus pi. So this is the graph of sine function. Now let's try to draw the graph of cos function. This is minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Okay, this is your graph. So it intersect over here. The graph intersect over here. So this point is pi by 4 and this point is minus pi and you have to go forward plus pi by 4, so it is minus 3 pi by 4. Okay, so I hope these points are clear and you guys can handle similar things. Now you have to focus on the minimum thing. Minimum thing means what? Like, if you will observe from minus pi to minus 3 pi by 4, this is the minimum part. So this thing. Then from minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4, this is the minimum part. Correct? And from pi by 4, the blue part is the minimum. Okay. So you have sharp turn over here, you have sharp turn over here. Okay. So set S will be what? Set S will be minus 3 pi by 4 and pi by 4. So at these 2 points, given function is not differentiable as they are having sharp turn. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.